Hello my students, our lesson today will study the relation between two roots of the quadratic equation. We know that the quadratic equation in the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then if the two roots are r1 and r2, therefore r1 plus r2 equals negative b over a, and r1 product r2 equal c over a. Then the sum of the two roots equal negative b over a, and the product of two roots equal c over a. And we can deduct that or prove that from the general formula. Then, in this question, if you ask the sum of two roots equal, we know that the sum of two roots equal negative b over a equal negative 1 over 2. And the product of two roots equal c over a equal negative 6 over 2 equal negative 3. In this equation, at first, moving 23 in the another side, 3x squared negative 23x plus 30 equals 0. So the sum of two roots equal negative 23 over 3 equal 23 over 3. And the product of two roots equal c over a equal 30 over 3 equal 10. As this equation, at first, factorize distribute of this bracket with this bracket, multiply two brackets, 2x multiply x equal 2x squared, 2x multiply 2 equal 4x, negative 3 times x equal negative 3x, negative 3 times 2 equal negative 6 equal 0. Collect the like term, 2x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. So the sum of two roots here equal negative 1 over 2. And the product of two roots equal negative 6 over 2 equal negative 3. In this example, if the product of the two roots of the equation 3x power 2 plus 10x minus c equals 0 is negative 8 over 3, we know that the product of two roots equal c over a. So negative c over 3 equal negative 8 over 3. Ignore 3 with 3, ignore negative with negative, so c equal 8. In this equation, if the sum of the two roots of equation 2x squared plus bx minus 5 equals 0 is negative 3 over 2. Find the value of a, then solve the equation. At first, we know the sum of the two roots equal negative b over a. Sum equal negative b over a. So negative b over 2 equal negative 3 over 2. Ignore 2 with 2 and the negative with negative, so b equal 3. Put 3 in the quadratic equation, 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equal 0. So to solve this equation, you can use the general formula. A equal 2, B equal 3, C equal negative 5, and put the value on the calculator to get the answer to find the solution set x1 and equal space and x2 equal space. In this equation, if 2 plus I is one of the two roots of the equation x squared minus 4x plus b equals 0, where b equal to element to r, then find the other roots. We know that if one of root of the equation is complex, then the other root is the conjugate of this complex number. So two roots are 2 plus I and 2 minus I. So the product of two roots 2 plus I time 2 minus I equal B over A. Equal C over A. C over A here equal B over 1. So to multiply the two conjugate number, first multiply first equal 4, second multiply second equal negative I square equal B. So negative I square equal negative 1 multiply negative equal positive 1, so B equal 5. In this question, find the value of k if one of the two roots of 4k x squared plus 7x plus k squared plus 4 equals 0 is the multiplicative inverse to this root. If the two roots are multiplicative inverse, therefore their product equal 1. So the product of two roots equal C over A. C k square plus 4 over A 4k equal 1 by cross multiplication. Therefore k square plus 4 equal 4k, moving 4k in the another side, so k square minus 4k plus 4 equals 0 by factorization. This is the perfect square. K minus 2 all to the power 2 equals 0, so k minus 2 equals 0, so k equal 2. Thank you, little alligator. See you later.